Okay, so I just finished compacting the rest of the sand in front of here. So now I just need to level the rest of the sand, and I can put down the insulation. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So the rest of the sand is leveled out almost. I just need 30 centimeters in front of the port, but I'm gonna do that when the insulation is laid out, because then I have the height to level it out from. I think that's easier. So now I'm gonna put down some insulation. So let's get started. Okay, so just found a piece of cake. Holy crap. So today I'm gonna finish laying out the last layer of insulation. Then I can start preparing for the floor heating, laying all the pipes out. So I'm getting closer and closer to getting the floor done. So I think maybe a couple of weeks more, 2 or 3 weeks more, I'm ready to pour concrete for the floor. I hope, but let's see how it goes. Good cake. So let's get started, because it's Sunday and I need to go to work tomorrow, so I need to do something today. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. I only need to put down a little bit over this wall, make them all a little more straight before I put in the rest of the insulation. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow, I think so. But for now, I'm gonna go in and have a beer. It's about time. So I finally had time to finish all the insulation. So everything is done now. So now I just started putting some pipes that I need for when I do the heated flooring in the other room in here. So the black ones is for the heated floor pipes and the red ones are for electrical wires if I ever need something from the main house out here. So it's just nice to have, but I don't think I'm gonna need those. So right now I just need to pull 2 more pipes from the room in here and up here. So these pipes are going into the garage. So if I get a crazy idea to do heated floor in the garage, the pipes are ready. I can just put some heated floor pipes into this and run them out in the garage. And the same here, the red one is for electric if I need to pull some wires out there too. Okay, so today we're gonna put down all the heating floor pipes. Everything is ready for it, so I'm just gonna put this on time lapse and you can see what we're doing. So have fun.